Hey, welcome to your London Locksmith and welcome to another video. Okay, it's been a while. We're back. Apologies that we haven't been as consistent. It's been kind of hectic lately with all the lockdown and stuff. But we're back and hopefully you enjoy this one. And if you do, please give us a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so you get notified every time we release a new video. So enjoy. Okay, so here's the damage of the door after it has been forced entry. As you can see, the side panel of the door, the whole side panel of the door has completely come off. So we have to try and put that back together then and somehow secure the door. Okay, we've managed to put the door back together. So the side panels, we've pinned it together and secured it with some wood sheets. Right, to secure the door, unfortunately the locks has been damaged, so we cannot use the locks to lock the door. So instead we've used the Hasman staple that was on there already and padlock to secure the door while the gentleman's away. So damaged door repaired and made it secure. Job done. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment. Let us know what you think and what else we can put on our next videos. That's it for now. Be good and please stay safe, and I'll catch you up on the next video.